looking for a cobbler or a carpenter, but to cement Jamaica, I need a mason. I need Jamaican. 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 Jamaican.
Burn up corruption. London, hey, what I know, hey, tell them this. Well, what I then. Say from in the word, in the 30, me say that is gonna spank you. Clean up corruption from every corner, okay, every angle. Corruption, cause the bar don't get in tangle. Chin up, see ya, you okay, that a sample. But when I get to the vine, them a go melt like jungle. Who not ring them, put them in a bangle. Burn them, who come to drink and jungle. Watch out now, well, and I know we burn them down for a purpose. Who come to drink, who come to scrape, who come to hurt us. Them down for a purpose. And give us the teaching of a Landilo. Boom. Cause just stay your daddy, some you just have a dispute. Like till a coffee, them a go put palm you. Them never lie, them a go full of that. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie, burn them, Jamaican, burn them. Hey, take me alone, London. Here we are going to start it now. All about the blessing. We light up the chalice and we're ready to go. Take it real low. Landilo, yo, me chalice meditate like Solomon and King David. Hold up a princess, hold up a queen, alright? Me go stay with chalice meditate like Solomon and King David. Kiss it, see I the praises. Hey, fresh herb make me cough. Give me the one them we cure up. BD, me no bun cigarette, no bun roll up. Give me grab a bun box, have a run and a cup load up. Come yes, I know the bun in a watch up and a cure up. And to make the herb rate up in a Europe. Police, hold it. Hear the part of a real true story. Here we go. Me chalice meditate like Solomon and King David. Hold up a princess, hold up a queen, alright? Me go stay with chalice meditate like Solomon and King David. Gisela say I the praises. And fresh herb make me cough. Give me the one them where cure up in a bun BD. Cigarette now, no bun roll up. Give me grab a bun box, have a run and a cup load up. Have 1,000 pound in a watch up and a cure up. Try pull me over, leave that pass and if you us. Never know. Me chalice meditate like Solomon and King David. Princess, queen, let me go stay with chalice. Take it off. I say true, me is a farmer. I am a mason and a farmer. Check it out. You know what, God? Talking about high grade. Tell them not a my grade. Me plan grade, me no buy grade. Rap grade, me tie grade. Ship grade, me fly grade. Upgrade, me no downgrade. Now get it cut down grade. Good day. Selassie, Rastafari is the Almighty. Yeah, go, yeah. Me burn them. Hey, London, I know I go on. You see how it's peaceful. So keep your joy. Even if you unemployed, I tell you to say keep your joy. Take care of me little girls and boys. London, keep your joy. Hard that Babylon want destroy. No. Keep your joy. Take it loud, dun. My goodness keeps me surviving. My royalness keeps me alive. That's why me a survive. Alright, my goodness keeps me surviving. My royalness keeps me. Give me a mix there. After no burn up, what kind of race that them a run? Don't tell me when them a go do fist up. Beat the jump, this is sign of what? Everywhere that me turn, that a go kill mother part. So keep your joy, next track. He says, I'm here so big up my brother Jack Cure. Yeah, Turbulence and the whole works. Yeah, yo, give me it from top there, dada. Selassie, I. Big up all of the nice and decent females, them, you know? All royal empress and princess. Yeah. Big up the kingdom. Yo, what's that now? Hey, then. So run, come love me tonight. And let pull up that. Yeah. You don't know. I'm here freedom for Jack York, you don't know. A royalness. Big up yourself, Mr. King. The whole works. All of the youth them from Prospect. Yeah, yeah. Run, come and love me. Yeah. So run, come and love me tonight. It's been so long, I've been searching for you. Still I stay strong, this love is overdue. Oh, now that we are together, views we share forever. It's always love, so let it be. Me no wanna rust and go trim. Wake it up every day and I go barber. Me bun the twine up top, the lawn more rim. And that's why man I want the one miss a the brim. Now destroy the root, you can't go the limb. You come back in the field and got that turban and sing. Princess you pick up the bubble man teaching. Money well ordered than Marcus Smith. So deal a royal, a loyal. London, how you feeling? How you feeling? I want me princess gone far, far away, and she left me alone, saying she's going to stay. From the other day she just have lap up and she said she go, and we did it to talk. She got love you.
Mercy, 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 mercy. What do you say? Jamaican gone, Jamaican him gone. Western consciousness. IWayne live inside Western consciousness. IWayne, IWayne, IWayne. Are you ready?
Cool as a bee.
IWayne, 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 IWayne.
So I see on the fire. No dash when no belly, young girl. Vagina no sell it young. Love a gong in your man. Earth it up. Selassie I the first Mother Earth. You see IWayne you in life and living colors. Them a wait for Sister Selassie children them drop out. And the beasts drop out, you see it. Earth it up. No dash rebellion thing in a loyal soldiers. Bunch off and hype now, you know. We say I'm late, I school language. No dash when no belly, young girl. Your flesh you know fi sell it, young girl. Gonna make a love life, no try fi spoil it. You no have no right for dash the youth in and no toilet. No dash when no belly, young girl. Your flesh enough is a little younger. When I make the love life, no try to spoil him. You know have no right. Alright, black woman. Black woman ain't no cemetery. She I see was us bearing tree. So she owes no apology. No boy can go call her Sculina belly. She's so full of sincerity. Good breastfeed the way she give the baby. Though it's a joy IWayne live to see. Thanks and many merit the love. Tell the black woman she no fi worry. Ace make ways and never worry. I for all life glory. Black woman you no fi dash when no belly. But tell the black woman she no fi worry. Ace make ways and never. I for all life glory. Black woman you no fit. Lava, at it up there. Selassie the first. Yeah, must can't yarn tongue for black woman there. At it up. They say the bleacher them get burning ya. At it up the papa. Enough get caught within the system. Bleach no for shave, no stop trim. Stupid big house and bling bling. Now love themselves so them bleach. Make them hear it then. See clear the run, brought up properly. Too much folly in them lane and them alley. Why bleach out for look like girl and girl want look like dolly. Want more to Cali, lava. Throw dash a fire upon the bleach and them. Want them the bleach and them go do it again. Up the man. I wanna love them black melanin. Selassie the first set it man. The sun I go burn them up and let it go the lava. Hot it up there. See him track. Yeah man wanna say. Java lava. Hot it up the papa. Enough get caught within the system. Bleach up a shave of no stop trim. Stupid big ghosts and bling bling. Now love themselves so them bleach them skin. I like them. They weren't brought up properly. Too much folly in them lane and them alley. Why bleach out for look like girl and girl want look like dolly. Want more to Cali, lava. Dash a fire upon the bleach of them. Want them the bleach and them go do it again. Can't touch the street, lava. Alright, man, let me hear it. Them say anything we black never need. So them start say your brown skin a do it. Pharmacy we sight them all a reach. Oh, them burn up themselves with the bleach. See them wanna said them not take no speech. Some a tell I about them rolling deep. Sight the sun and play hide and seek. Flesh get devoured by the worm and leech. Lava, me dash a fire. Heart it up the papa. Hold it there. Lava, what you say? Black woman them genuine enough. Must can do a tune for black woman them. Alright then. Shh. Alright then. Them ready for live up now. Them ready for listen. Alright. Watch on the lava ground. At it up there. Firestar and more life now. Watch on us. Shh. Alright. Ready for live up now. Give thanks she start. No matter mama, papa, nor if auntie rod. She have to ride highway and donkey cart. Love the beat of the Naya bingy from the arch. I never Isla, and she smart, more than beautiful, and she love. Can't give her no money if you take her panty off. No trick her with no fancy talk. Atta, you Rasta deal with her now. Cause some youth don't know if you deal with girl now. Rasta touch her softly. She erupted shortly. She said, ooh. Listen it gonna. I want me. She love life and she believe in it anciently. She said the donkey cart safer than the Bentley. We're in the donkey cart sipping up life sensey. Herb, nuts I present thee. She said if you touch a rope, I did it gently. Young and green, oh, she's just 20. Filling her cup and never let it be empty, whoa. So diligently, touch her softly. She erupted, shot it up there. Selassie the first. Selassie I. Lava go. Wanna say about nastiness? Alright then. Come it the one drop. No nastiness round here, man. Fire upon them nasty panel. Them have the kids that was X-rated channel. Danielle, all baby Janelle. Them really want to write like Jamel. Bun John Paul Elspeth. Chop off it head and dash it in the canal. Cougar hiding at the darkest tunnel. Burn them to the time no promote. Shoot them no grow proper. Too much blues cartoon and video game. Too much of the soap opera. Oh mama, oh papa, lava. Flow at her, no grow proper. Too much of the blues cartoon and video game. Too much of the soap opera. Oh mama, alright then. Long journey, long mission. Heights up and be strong. Oh, you feel bow and say you have ambition. Never stoop low, no matter what condition. Some schoolgirls said them rule the taxi stand. Free ride from any taxi man. Lose all draws box man and take with party man. No for flex like a wolf and factory brand. Them no grow proper. Too much blues cartoon and video game. Too much of the soap opera. Oh mama, oh papa. Alright. The life in the one room for pure. The youths no must sleep through them a snore. Tongue a bore, enough done ore. 69 style them a explore. Mama vex or heart feel sore. Kick off of the bed, say all your space on the floor. Go learn life hardcore. Pack a scandal bag, send it through the door. Through them no grow proper. Too much blues cartoon and video game. Them watch too much soap opera. Art it up again the lava. Pull it up. Utter. We say no vegetarian no there. Make sure it's nothing with vagina and our penis no no pot no plate. Art it up. I saw it go. Watch you now. Watch you now no. Lava. Them eat the animal. Ram and yam them. Burn a cannibal, them more than condemn. Them roast the egg balls and all a skull it. No sip no ginger nor no garlic. And yam them bloody meat and all a lick them finger. Oh, them greedy, them go eat the scavenger. Pot a goat soup a call manish water. Drink it and then you vanish after. Drinking blood, nor eating meat, not right. Won't stop at them, choke them ball in Jesus Christ. Nah, sit no bitters, nor no leaf of life. The vegetarian is the chief of life. It burning red. Red pan anyone we push them head between leg. I could a chicken leg. Burning red. Lava it up there. Lava go. Ooh, lava go. Oh, warriors no fear not death, nor any form of terror. Pagan this mistake the man. War they must study, say them. Gun dog and gun drunk or the centred. Say senseless killing of them obvious. Find out say your war they must study, say them deal with it the bloody ass. Feel for the slippery or muddy ass. Deal with. Alright, I will. I show the fire and no care how hot it is. I know we got burn back it is. It's up and be positive. Just wake up and live. No for hype boat machine. We're on a come on. Something much bigger than the damn cannon. Lightning we done them and them young with one hand. Headless no foot to stand on. The lava bro. No for look we see I'm magadong. Hype and warrior through them have a gun. Tell them say the warriors are never run. them a study, yeah. What? This the rust, when no fear no muss, you have to crash. This a time at a lava splash. Got them isla dash, make against the last lava. Oh, war them a study, yes. Said them deal with it, the bloody ass. Gun dog and gun drunk, they send earth it up the fire. Or some gun dog and gun drunk go on, so. Them now live up, you know. Watch you now. So she flirt with her. Money, love it up there. Hold it the love. IWayne bun prostitution and some people vex. No vexation about that. Bun nastiness round your man. Hot it up, mama and papa, so it go. Hot it up! So let's see I the first. Whoa, 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 whoa. Selling away the love. Whoa, 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 whoa. So she flirt with her boyfriend, brethren, him up money and bling, so she get disease, now it starts spreading. Seek when it's selling, she's dying. Mercy please, for life she begging. When she hears her to the mark, she heading. Lava, so she broke out at the age of 7, strip dancing before she reached utter. One man can satisfy, she needs more. The flesh price getting some more. Oh, score and land from the prostitution work she won't. Well, a flame IWayne, burn the place. She want a man to take her to the movie. Buy her pearls and her rubies. She no care about cuts and bruises. That's just the way she chooses. She want a man to bring her autumn, summer, winter, spring dash. Carnival splash and sting cash. New hairstyle, nails and bling cash. The selling business, one man can satisfy her. She needs more wood for the fire. The flesh price getting higher. Some more money she require. Oh, score and land. So from the prostitution work she married. Flames and fire now. I burn the flesh. Alright. She buy her bleaching cream to get well brown. Chicken pills so she well round. So she ready for try the L zone. So she sex with pager and cell phone. So she don't know the math, the English nor the spelling so fine. No morning or evening or selling time. See them now, look what happened. Stop like that. Flesh start to rot. One man can satisfy her. Needs more wood for the fire. Flesh price getting higher. And more money she require. Oh, to talk. Lava. Yeah, so it going on unlimited. Watch out. No for them a fight for land and aisle round here. And I call the people them squatters. Born squatters now. Who them I call squatters? Art it up. Selassie the first bit of them. Call the people them our squatters. How what that? Selassie. Alright. See my people living in love. Hate to see them fighting and swimming in blood. Nothing let the foreign. Wanna be the first to reap the food. Them turn the earth in a prison, church and whorehouse. Love them rum bar and yet the pure house. Take them mic go cheap and no a rat go pour out. Less food, more drought and more as it up. Tell them all the while, stop war and go to the side. Stop fighting for London Isle. Just happy decline, so many go defile. Just meet in them face, them off his smile. Banks of the Nile, mile and so fertile. Acres more than a zillion mile. The people acting vile, pick up cannibal style. One year mark, mama, papa and chat. Alright, so life seed and let it bust her. Chat bout take too long, quick grow and start custard. Coulda trust them and those as I trust her. Such is Lord, and I just her. Because your eyes when them call this Scotland. Some say fi government, some say fi motherland. No one share although them got a lot of land. One ton, one gun range and shot a land. Tell them all the while, stop war and go till the soil. Fighting for land alone. Just a feed the coil. So many go defile. I win the step in and them face them off his smile. Banks of the line, my lands of fertile. More than alright. Politicians a talk. Them a talk about tourism. Oh, politicians a talk. Oh, them a talk, sir. Alright. Politicians not talk, certain things them not mention. Drugs and gun, people tax money spend van. Plastic smile and them wicked intention. In your honor, how where them put them evil invention. You turn gun mad, seeking attention. See they know you're dead and that is no redemption. Parents are wonder where to get the first cent from. To bury the dead, them not even got pension. All the while, stop war and go till the soil. Stop fighting for land alone. See the coil, so many go defile. Just spit in them face, them off it. See my people living in love. Hate to see them fight, swimming in blood. Nothing left the farming them. They'll wanna be the first to reap the food as it born. Them done the dance all in our road. Love them from bar and eat the pure out. Take the microchip and know where I go pour out. Let's forward. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Selassie, I burn religion. Bonja.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. One more time, give it up for IWayne. But we have a problem. A part of the stage, backstage, a part of it has broken away, so we're asking the workmen to come backstage to help us to solve that problem, because the musical tsunami stepped on the stage and it created a quake. Right here, I am about to plant a star who could have been notorious. Turbulence in the house. Lord of mercy. Oh, Shana. Oh, Shana.
Yeah.
Oh, Shana. Turbulence. Lens.
I miss a Rasta no fi stink. Rasta man fi beard. Well be the beauty. Rasta no fi. Hear me now. Balance. Now me talk to my people. Hear me now, people. I greet you in the mighty and powerful name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Jah! Rastafari. Them teach me say, Rastafari is head creator. Them teach me say, Rastafari is cleanliness. So why am I not about no nasty dread? Why am I not about no nasty dread? The nasty dread, them think that Listerine and toothpaste is the enemy. When a Babylon are the enemy. All I was about nasty dread. Whoa! Come to kick it now. Whoa, eh? Balance. Give me this. Yeah? Alright. Balance. Whoa! No ifs, no maybes, no buts. Can't be a Rasta and your favorite place is Pizza Hut. That should never ever be. Tell me say you love Jah and you don't love KFC. Man to man is unjust. Hey, look how much woman in the world and a man, some boy a pre. Some boy not really conscious. Head of figure road. One drop, Rasta no fi stink, Rasta man fi beard. While be in the beard, Rasta no fi shield. While intelligent when we live in a cave. Rasta no fi coward, Rasta man fi brave. No say them a Rasta and watch how them behave. Still I am the pork, still I am the steak, still I am the home and them pump up like here. Now we are burn them up. Balance. Western consciousness. Balance. All house a life over that. Herbs over coke. Roots over rum. Girl over gun. Come on, man, come on, man. Balance, balance. Balance. Hey. Listen, they say a dog is a man's best friend. The dogs are Glocks and Mach 10. Some man love them gun more than how them love them girlfriend. Gun can't produce no children. Only life that reducing bodies are me a pen. Man, girl naked and them clip loud again. Booba, booba, booba. Them a real Eden. Gonna definitely problem. The boy can't buy him girl a dress, but him can buy a gun. Push a hood in a dinner then. You too dumb. You rather feel with me. That hood is some. With some. You know you put it on. Come now, man, I'm only for time, you know. Balance again. Just the other day, a girl shot me in a drive-by with a gun when named Rhea. To tell you the truth, Rasta nah lie, I had a lot of diarrhea. So me hear some Rasta bun condom, I said them love the beer back flow. When them catch chase, them a ball out, when them a ball bout, I talk about if them did Western. May I for roll up before me show up the knees of my show it up on the may I for roll up before, oh man, balance. Just kick it, Javed.
Hey, that's Javed.
Just kick it, Javed.
I have something to add. Balance.
One drop.
Before you ride, put on your condom. Don't put your life at ransom. No matter if she pretty or him handsome. Stop and think the AIDS thing are no fun. Remember this before you ride, put on your condom. Don't put your life at ransom. No matter if she pretty or him. Balance.
One drop.
Hear me now. Yo, me nah follow no boy and assume before me catch AIDS, me rather use a balloon. After me no flipping junkie, me no cartoon.
Balance, 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 balance. All of my vegetarian people, this song is for you. Balance, balance, balance. A turbulence, a turbulence, a turbulence. Me I say, run cow, run a pig, run for your life. See the cannibal there, you come with the knife. Run cow, run a pig, run for your life. Them I say your flesh nice, and them will want a slice. Run cow, run a pig, run for your life. See the cannibal there, you come with the knife. Run cow, run a pig, run for your life. One shot. Me hear the cow about murder. Hey, turbulence to make them take it no further. One bust me throat and put me down in a burger. All the pig them want turn in a frankfurter. Hear the goat about say Lord, them a worry me. All of them a hunt me down, they go curry me. In a them manish water, them want story me. But I go and fuck them down. If the book of them ever different. Rastafari. Me get for what stand said. A Rasta do man them want. They not them life. Man, it's a walk to the mic, yo. Yeah, yeah.
Never.
Yeah. Say she want a natty on her front line. I will be there with a different thing. Different thing. I don't know now in a long time, you know. Front and backstage. Yeah. Balance. Westmoreland. Don't be afraid to talk, okay? Balance. Don't we say a man and a woman is a balance. Man and man could never bring babies. Woman and a woman could never bring babies.
Not at all.
So all of who are born on homosexuality, go so. Are you afraid? Go so. Alright, balance. Now listen. I am gonna sing a song for the ladies. Come here, some boy, I disrespect the woman them. I come talk about, I look the woman them talk about. Hey girl, come over here, so girl. Hey, come give me some of that, girl. And some boy in a New York I talk about. Hey bitch, Come over here, bitch. Real mama, man. You have to do it like Turbulence, the future from Al Kibulan. Just walk over to her and take her and say, hey, baby love. Black woman, I need your name and number and where you reside. Different thing. Young Miller, tell them to work with this. I'm big gonna tell them, say, I could have been one of them all. Love you. Slata the Masagana. Monster.
Turbulence. Turbulence. Turbulence.
By the King and His grace, it's so glorious. I would have been one of the most devastating. Watch out! Watch out! I love to feel up the woman, them breast nipple. Burn the boy, them where you feel up man testicle. I fi kill them out fast, but I come fi take a nickel. Hey, and they go jump, 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 jump. I'm Mr. Burner where the wicked provide. I'm the wicked in me and the wicked man them love ya. Selassie I cha.
Yes, 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 yes. Come, come, Phantom Moja, Phantom Moja, Phantom Moja. Come, 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 come. Phantom Moja, 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 Moja. Do something for the poor.
Whoa! No, no, no. Land I love burn them. More say I don't know we about bad mind. Burn. Land I love burn. No, 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 no. Maca tree. The one your name search until you find. Find. Never let them get you down. Down. I can dirty and them around. Round. One ya. All who are one man. Jump, 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 jump. Yo, yo, yo. I be a love and go round them. Can never do that again. Love and go round them. Hard in the drum. Westbound and that drum them. Love and that be a love and go round them. Can never do that again. Love and go round. Balance. Balance. My people. All who are born the shot of them we are kill people and call for lion paw. Lion paw. One drop. Watch up. Watch up. Well, that's where me from me tell them don't I love sitting. No boy diss me and me show them pity. I know say we can make a dozen doping. When I be alone, me say that I love them and honey. In the dog that me hold them. Them not necessary. When I make a flex and colic, me call direct. Then me check sharing and me balance. Balance. I lose about the work with the fire. The fire. Land dialogue. One guy mix and give me. Hey. The one you near me miss your hand. Me miss your hand. And you put the fire upon everybody man. Me miss your hand. Me miss your hand. Black man face stand up strong. One you near balance. Land dialogue. Me attack the real maca tree man them. When no say no man can climb up on them. Me say lion paw. Lion paw. Watch up. When you near me miss your hand for your straight. Nobody boy never can you up on date. Righteousness miss you that me penetrate. Right and so in a rasta man plate. What's in the balance? Balance. Let me tell you something. You see Westmoreland plant the highest grade of herbs around here. And that's send the youth them go to school. I that take care of mama and papa. All who agree with me, lion pa. Salute. Give me the rhythm there. All who smoke urban and no cook in a land dialogue. Give me this. Oh, yaka yaka yaka. Maybe see the real one, man. Heard they from the west side, man upon ganja hard. No me can't glide, land dialogue. They heard they from the west side, man upon cigarette. They give it tell me eyes. Anyway, heard they from the west side, man upon ganja hard. No me can't glide. Anyway, heard they from the west side. Balance. All of the man understand not to cook lion pa. Lion pa. Oh, one job. Hey, where sister say please up the chala, got him little and him talawa. Now go take no coke like the boy when him talawa. Run it on the beat them, yeah them start to bleed them. So him talawa general beat them. Pass over the blame them. Can only the country make him load up the dirty. Can only fireman and make him please up the Chinese mercy. Let's go take a draw. Show toad one up, rat it weed ya have grab up. Give me the road there from the west side. Man upon ganja hard, no me can't glide. Anyway, road there from the west side. Man up on cigarette, they give it your big eyes. Anyway, balance. A ganja send you them go to school on Westmoreland. We plant the ice cream. No coke, no plant out here. Let me see the man who smoke high grade. Westmoreland, we not afraid to put it up. He said we picnic go to school. Lion pa. Oh. Well, Babylon, you're wrong. Never catch me with no coke spliffing on me hand. Now you want lock me down on detention. Sergeant Buffut and Inspector Rang Bang. Bleeding, Papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. But tell them Mama hungry, Papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. The one your name, 1 million miles away. Babylon and Mappy. Pull up. All who love the Almighty creator of all living things we have. Read him. Get it. We have for the Almighty, we have for him, we have. When I ride. Early this morning, I see love in front of me. You're walking when I rise. Early this morning, I feel jogging. Wanna sing with me? Hey, what it don't take nothing at all.
Be the king.
What it not take nothing at all. Be the king. Selassie I the king of all kings. It not take nothing at all. Be the king.
Western consciousness.
Now, you know we have a balance at this show, right? We have new artists who perform because everyone ultimately have to start out somewhere until they become a star and then buzz. So you don't know, we saw all the new artists and the rising stars, as they would say. And this time we're going to give you some vintage. I'm tell you some style where you're going to rock and come in. I'm talking about 1,000 volts of Holt. Let's give it up for Jimmy John Holt. Yeah. Give it up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
me hear say yeah. My dream last night was about Alibaba with the 40 thieves. Yeah. Landila say yeah. Alibaba. Well. All right. Just a musical vibe, no talk, no talk. Music fashion. Stick by me, I will stick by you. All the girls in the house scream. All girls, stick by me. I'm gonna stick right by you. Oh, oh. Well. Come on and stick by me, well, I'm gonna love you. Oh, oh. Let me just say yeah. On the silent steps it will creep up on you in a mystic form. It will kiss you. Hey. Let me just say yeah. All lighters and flags, wave something, wave your red stripe here, wave your hand, everybody, and God bless you all. Stealing.
What? Stealing? Hey, hold on. Yo, just down a little bit there for me. Did he do Alibaba? Did he do Alibaba? Did he do police in a helicopter? Did he do Fat Shifat? Do you want more? Come in, John Holt. Hey! 1,000 volts.
Oh, my sweetie, come and brush me. All the ladies in the house, scream out, I'm here. There's a girl living in my neighborhood. She's so beautiful, they call her Sweetie. When she walks, in the neighborhood. Everybody turn and stare, looking at Sweetie. So I say, Sweetie, come brush me. Sing it out. Sweetie, come shake on me, girl. Sweetie, come love me. Well, Sweetie, come dance with me, girl. Oh, come on, sweetie. Sweetie, sweetie. Oh, she's like fire burning in my soul. I wanna talk to her. Oh, come on, sweetie. So I say, Sweetie, come brush me. Well, Sweetie, come shake on me, girl. Sweetie, come love me. Well, Sweetie, come dance with me, girl. Oh, my sweetie. Sweetie, come and love me, girl. Sweetie, come and kiss me. Well, 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 well. Oh, sweetie, sweetie, come and love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. Oh, oh, oh. No more, no more. Let me hear you say no more tribal war. Tribal war. Yeah. How you doing out there? You know, sometimes you have to take a little time out to just say hi to, you know, all the people out there. You know. Is there a song you want to hear me sing tonight then? Huh? Name them. Yeah. You want to hear me sing a special song tonight? Which one? Which one? I'd like to run away from you, but if you never find me, I would cry. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. That's for the lady right here. Ready? Ready? Rob and cheat you, tell you all kind of lies. They're gonna cheat on you, rob and cheat you. Rob and cheat you, well, rob and cheat you. Yeah, yeah. Cease. Easy. All right. What you say? Westmoreland and yes, boss. Yes, boss, yes, boss, yes, boss. Police in helicopter are searching marijuana. Soldiers in the fields burning the cali weed. Policemen in the streets searching for cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down your cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Boy, all the lighters and flags, come on, let me see for herbs. Celebration of herb. Police in helicopter are searching marijuana. Soldiers in the fields, yo, burning the cali weed. Policemen in the streets searching for cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down your cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down your cane fields. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Police in helicopter, policemen in the streets. Police in helicopter are searching marijuana. Soldiers in the streets searching for cali weed. Policemen in the fields burning the cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Boy. Police in helicopter. Whoa, whoa. Police in helicopter. Good night, everybody, and God bless you all. One love, you hear?
Respect, respect. Question consciousness. What are you saying? Are you on the show, you know? What are you saying? What are you saying? One more. One more. One more. No, you have to pay respect to a man like John Holt. You have to pay respect to a man like John Holt. So every man, woman, child, black, white, put your hands together for the superstar, John Holt.
The man, yeah. A chick about, wow. You Roy would say that. Dig me soul brother, dig me soul sister. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Well, well. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Well, well, well. When I used to go to school, you know they taught me the golden rule. They say, son, you better know yourself, because in time to come it's going to betray. And now me gonna up park, yeah. Me never want go up park. All hands in the air like this, let me see ya. I never wanna go to a park, yeah, no. Good night, everybody, and God bless you all.
Respect to John Holt. Yes, man. John Holt is an elder. Respect John Holt. OD, PC, everything You don't need an OD. You get the entire alphabet from A to Z. So I'm now crowning you. Just take it down a little bit for me, please. Let me just make something clear, my brother. There's some people in this country who have all sorts of honors like OD and so on. Tonight, by the powers of the people given to me, I declare you as of now, John Holt, A to Z. You have the entire letters. Respect to you, Elder John Holt. Yes, man. Every time. Western consciousness.
Let's bless up the royal family as they make their full circle. It's all about Morgan's heritage.
In your boots, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, these are roots, these are roots, these are roots, rock reggae music. So these are roots, these are roots. Rockers in your bones. Yo, Sam Lamar, are you ready for some rockers music? Are you ready for roots rock reggae music?
What a sight to behold! And listen and see how when the triple crown, every knee must bow and every tongue shall tell. Yo, uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up your revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion. Uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up your revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion. Hey. All prophecies have been fulfilled. To Rastafari done bust the seas. Open your eyes, look over land and seas. Behold the ice gold and green rainbow. It surrounds the golden throne of the lion. No man on earth can dispute this truth. Words of truth manifest upon creation. Words of my nation. Uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up your revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion. Uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up your revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion.
Coming and we coming on Zion's straight answer the call, cause the path has been ordained. Blaze up the tower so the ice could be maintained. See the wicked fall as they fight and shot your way. You took the day and we got no time to waste. Life that we live is a story that will remain. He is written cause the lion then crowned the king. Babylon, believe your kingdom will be falling.
Uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up the revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion. Uncomfortable Babylon will be from this day on, because the rebels start up your revolution. No one not trouble. Hail up your Rastaman, yo, hail the lion, hail up the lion. 72 nations bow before the King. Hail him as the Almighty Jah. Tell you what, Rastafari is the King of Kings, growing on the suburb of Ethiopia. 72 nations bow before my King. Hail him as the Almighty Jah. Jah, Jah. Selassie I. How good and how pleasant it is for I and I together in one perfect unity. We thank you all for bringing Morgan Heritage one more time back to the West. All who come from the West, make we hear you say yes, Rasta. All right. Whether you come from West or East, North or South, this is still Jamaica. And if you're proud to be a Jamaican, make we hear you say yes, Rasta. How you mean? But there's too much injustice going on in Jamaica, you know. They say the matter of Jamaica is out of many one people, but we not see that everywhere. So we have a new song we're gonna do for you. It's taken from our brand new album, soon to be released June 7th. It's called Full Circle. We want you to listen closely to the words of this song as we talk about what spaces I and I did today in Jamaica. If it wasn't for Rastafari, I and I would have no strength to survive. Yeah. Let us take a look around, see what's going on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, tell me how come here in Jamaica so many people still a fight Rasta. Tell me how come down at East West them never charge minimum but them charge Sizzler. Tell me how come people are suffer on the street, not seem to love the Prime Minister. Tell me how come those in power don't seem to care. Oh, it's 'cause life is so unfair. In this sweet paradise, this is what we swear. Out of anyone people, can you see that anywhere? Everyone treated equal, and this is why so many die, leaving so many to cry. Where's the truth, my friend? Where's the truth, my friend? Oh yeah. Hey. Tell me how come there's so much guns in the streets and none of them gun they never make ya. Tell me how come AIDS is spreading while taking over this sweet paradise of Jamaica. Tell me how come the dollar value's going down and everything's going up around town. Tell me how come Booker had to get gunned down. Tell me how come. Ooh-wee. Tell me how come. Oh yeah, play it low. Tell me how come the youth them downtown can't receive the education like the youth them uptown. Tell me how come Jack Cure they are jail and the prosecutor know he's innocent and shouldn't be there. Tell me how come people are suffer out the street and Babylon are one like say never see it. Tell me how come people see it and not speak, 'cause life is so unfair. In this sweet paradise, this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Everyone treated equal, and this is why so many die, leaving so Yes, Rasta. Reggae music is people music. Rasta music. Listen. Lots of different people live in the baby praise each and every day. My brother, my sister, let the praises come from my mouth this day. Let the praise come from my mouth this day. Glorify his holy name. Haile Selassie is the name. And we're gonna gather ourselves together. We're gonna come together. Brothers and sisters, we're gonna gather ourselves together. We're gonna come together, yeah. Down by the river. Down by the river, yeah. By the rivers of Babylon. How can we sing our Father's song in a strange land? But we're gonna do it anyway. For the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Down by the river, yeah, yeah. Do you wanna hear Brother Grandpa sing? Do you wanna hear Brother Grandpa sing? Oh yeah, Grandpa, they wanna hear you sing, yeah.
Savlama, you ready?
Grandpa, I think they wanna hear you do your thing, yeah.
Savlama, are you ready? Come to see Morgan Heritage this day. I can hear you, Saflama. I say, is there anyone that come to see Morgan Heritage this day? I said when you leave here, Usaflama. I said when you leave here, Savlama. I said when you leave here, you just tell them that tonight, that you were with Morgan Heritage, and you were saying, and you were saying, and you were saying, yes, Rasta.
Put it on my youth. That's how it goes. I'll be down by the river, yeah, yeah, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll be down by the river, yeah, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh, yeah, Lord. Now it's time for you to sing. Now it's time for you to sing. Solomon, yeah, yeah. Now it's time for you to sing.
Now it's time for
everyone
you to
sing along and say, I'll be down by the
river. My way. Yeah.
Sing again. I'll be down by the singing songs of joy on this lovely day. You're sounding so good, you gotta sing it one more time. I'll be down by the ooh-wee, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way.
Set on my way.
Western country sing, hey, I'll be down by the ooh-wee, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh, so my God, everything just say, yeah. Oh, down by the river, 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 by the river, by the river, by the river. Oh yeah. Do you love reggae music, massive? Now, sir, do you love reggae music? All who love reggae music, make we hear you say yes, Rasta. That's some of the touchables now, y'all. Selassie, yo. Hold on, cha cha cha. We can see your blessed reggae music once again now. Now, it's so nice, it's so sweet, beautiful to see, yeah, yeah. My people in this sweet, sweet love. Oh my, 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 my. I love you guys. Soft love, all the vibration nice. And we